Hello, my name is Joseph Chan, and today we will be exploring this digital guide to mobile learning in the field of physiology. We will start this guide by setting the context and exploring the global trends of mobile technology before linking these trends to an Australian context. We will explore the educational approaches and their benefits, commenting on mobile technology to assist students in the studies of physiology. There is a positive trend for the uses of mobile devices being used around the world. This trend is shifting from a basic mobile feature phone to a more complex smart device. This shift, however, is determined upon two factors: the affordability and the affordance. The affordability is the ability to be afforded or have enough money to pay for, a concept that heavily revolves around finance and money. Affordance, on the other hand, is the qualities or properties of the product. In a mobile technology context, affordance is about the ability and capabilities of a device. People in the developed markets, such as Australia, are heavily invested in their smart devices, indicating high affordability and affordance as compared to developing markets. Mind maps can be used to take down notes in physiology through technology. This learning tool allows the breakdown of major concepts incorporating visual aspects to aid in the retention of information in a fun and creative way. Mind maps highlight social constructivism, as knowledge can be constructed socially together with other peers studying physiology, creating a medium where learning is through a social process. This will help boost motivation and engagement while learning. It makes physiology more enjoyable. E-books are digital books. Human Physiology in Extreme Environments is an example of an e-book. It includes capabilities such as highlighting, note-taking, and bookmarking. The most important feature of this e-book is the Find function, which allows students to quickly access the information that they need and require. Other e-books may include more interactive components, making learning interactive and enjoyable. E-books are easy to carry as opposed to traditional textbooks. This tool directly feeds to students' knowledge, making it an example of information transmission. Information transmission is a transfer of information from one person or a source to the student. Information transmission can transfer lots of information while encouraging students to be self-directed in their learning. Since physiology is a content-heavy subject, information transmission is a vital educational approach to learning. Applications are single capability softwares. Physiology learning is an application which allows a transfer of knowledge in the field of physiology. Learning through reading information as well as visual multimedia, this technology is interactive and engaging. Students can test their understanding through quizzes targeting behaviorism educational approach. Behaviorism is the idea that learning is through reinforcement, whether through rewards or punishments. It acknowledges when the student is right or wrong by giving them feedback, motivating them to further study. QR codes are a machine-readable code built up of a matrix of black and white squares. QR codes increase the enjoyment and excitability as they are placed in practical locations. Scan this or any other QR code in this presentation to learn more information. In a physiology context, QR codes can be placed around the laboratory, putting learning in the context, utilizing situated learning. Situated learning is learning in the context of which the information applies. This educational approach increases engagement, motivation, and reflects a real-life scenario, making work applicable. AR application create a digital layer superimposed over the real world. Holoanatomy is an AR application allowing students to visualize a live diagram of the human anatomy and understand the context in which each body part plays. You use your feet to move around and your own body to control and interact with the hologram to incorporate embodied learning, making it very interactive and a realistic experience. Embodied learning is learning conducted through the body linking with technology. Physiology labs would be a fine example of embodied learning. Embodied learning increases understanding of concepts in physiology, applying a real working application while increasing student engagement. The possibilities for future mobile devices are endless.